Lemongrass is a natural herb. I love it so much because of its powerful citric scent. It can be used for tea, for face mask, for treating any skin ailments. Lemongrass can be prepared as tea. The tea can be used to treat flu and cold, and also it can be used to treat malaria fever. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you how to make lemongrass tea today. With me here I have this fresh lemongrass. We are going to be using this to make a refreshing tea. To make lemongrass tea, I'm going to start by separating the stalk of the lemongrass from the leaf. So I'm going to just cut this part. Now I'm going to just rinse this a little bit to get rid of sand. Okay. To rinse this, I'm just going to fill a bowl with water. Just dip the lemongrass into this. Just use your hand to scrub this a little bit. Once I'm done, I'm just going to take this out of the water. I've just cleaned my surface the second time, so I'm going to cut the stalk into smaller pieces. Just like this. So I'm done with this stalk. I'm just going to fold this a little bit. Next, I'm just going to use a pestle to smash this a little bit. You can just pound it. Okay, heating the lemongrass helps it to be infused into the water easily. That's the reason why I did that. Next, I'm going to place the pot on heat. Add 2 to 3 cups of water to the pot, then bring the lemongrass into it. Next, I'm going to mince fresh ginger and add to it. To the lemongrass, I'm going to add in the minced ginger and 2 cardamom pods. I'm going to bring this to a boil. Okay, after 10 minutes of cooking this, you will notice the green leaf has become faded. All the lemongrass extract has been infused into the water. I'm just going to remove this. And I'm also going to turn off heat. Next, I'm going to strain this. Okay, we are done straining this. Once done, you can serve this. I'm just going to be pouring this into some teacups. Look at that colorful tea. It looks concentrated and rich. I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar to the tea. You can use honey or you can just simply serve it plain like this. It looks colorful. I love the smell of lemongrass tea. Okay, Once done, your lemongrass tea is ready. This is very refreshing and is beneficial to your entire health. So guys, this was how to make lemongrass tea at home. I hope you loved this video. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Like this video and you can also share this. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.